What is the max RAM for A100? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the powerhouse of AI and high-performance computing, the Nvidia A100 GPU. Specifically, we're tackling a question that pops up a lot. What's the maximum RAM you can get on an A100? Now, when we talk about RAM in the context of a GPU, we're really talking about its onboard memory, specifically high bandwidth memory, or HBM. The A100 comes in a few configurations, and that directly impacts the memory capacity. A100 GPU comes in four models, namely A140 GB, A180 GB, A140 GB SXM, and A180 GB SXM. Originally, the A100 launched with 40 gigabytes of HBM2 memory. This was already a massive leap forward, allowing for the processing of incredibly complex datasets. However, Nvidia didn't stop there. They later released a version with 80 gigabytes of HBM2 memory. This doubled the capacity, providing even more headroom for demanding workloads like large language models and advanced simulations. So, to answer the question directly, the maximum RAM you can get on an Nvidia A100 is 80 gigabytes. It's important to remember that this HBM2 memory isn't just about capacity. It's also about bandwidth. The A100 boasts incredible memory bandwidth, allowing data to be moved in and out of the GPU at lightning speeds. This combination of high capacity and high bandwidth is what makes the A100 such a crucial component in cutting-edge AI research and development. Whether it's training massive neural networks, running complex simulations, or accelerating scientific discoveries, the A100's memory capabilities are a key factor in its performance. So there you have it. The maximum RAM, or onboard memory, for an Nvidia A100 is 80 gigabytes of HBM2. Thanks for watching.